god! Look at my face, guys. There's no black spots. Like, can you see? Oh my god, my face is clear. No people. Oh my goodness, Jesus. Oh, how I have reacted this reaction. Seriously, I was hoping like in 2 weeks, this serum is going to clear my face. But here is my review. This is my third week of using this niacinamide serum from Estelin. I promised you guys that I'm going to give you a review. And guys, see for yourself. Look at my face. Let me zoom in so that you can see more. So of a truth, it clears some of the dark spots because the last time I made a video, there was like a very huge black spot here. And as you can see, it's already clearing it off. But what I did notice is that it did not stop me from having breakouts. Like I still have pimples. I still have breakouts every morning. Night. I sleep and wake up, I still have like new pimple coming out. But it really did the work of clearing the black spots. Yeah. I mean, it's not getting worse, and actually think it is getting better. Yeah, I still have a lot more that I've not used. So I'm still going to continue using this serum and hope that it will clear every of these black spots at the end of the day. And while I am doing that, I'm still going to be looking out for products that I can use that will stop me from having breakouts so that eventually I can have like a flawless skin that exists. All right, guys. See you in my next review. Bye.